Hey hi, I am Maunika from Team Hebevu. So here is our recent harvest of corn. Corn almost takes 3 to 4 months for the harvesting. Here this corn is kept for sun drying where it also reduces the moisture content which doesn't lead to the spoilage. This is how we enjoy the harvest through the maize run. So come let's join the maize run. So as we know as the soil plowing, here we do the corn plowing where the bottom seeds come to the top and top seeds go to the bottom where we ensure that all the seeds are sun dried. Thank you.